Now, if you recall previously, we said the order of the rows and columns in a database don't matter because if we want to retrieve the data, if we want to sort the columns, we will sort them in our select query. Whatever column we write first is going to be displayed first. Now, regarding the rows, in some cases, we will need to sort the data in a certain order. So, for example, I want to display books from least expensive to most expensive, or from most expensive to least expensive, or by alphabetical order, or I want to list the employees in alphabetical order, or by the highest paid to lowest paid, things of that sort. This can be done in SQL using the keyword order by. Where do we place the order by keyword in our select statement? So let's go back to the select statement syntax and see. We have some things that are a must, which is the select and the from. Now we have the where clause, which is an optional, and we also have the order by clause at the end here, which is an optional. Now I jumped from where to order by, and I skipped group by and having, as they will require more knowledge, but this is easier than them, so I will get back to them later on. Now you will use the order by optionally to sort things in your data. The order by presents it in a sorted order, and the ascending order is the default, so anything is going to be displayed from lowest to highest. If you want it to be reversed, descending order, then you will have to use the keyword DESC. Now in ascending order, this is the order of the values and how they are going to be sorted. It's going to start with numeric values. After that, it's going to look at characters in alphabetical order, and finally it's going to sort null values. Obviously, if we use the keyword DESC, which is descending order, it's going to just reverse the whole list or the sequence that we see right here. So let's go and do some examples and see. So let me go and look at books as it has more readable information. So select star from books. So if I want to sort the books by the highest or the lowest expensive, the least expensive book to the most expensive book, I can just say order by retail. Do I have to specify ascending or descending? If I'm looking for books from the least expensive book to the most expensive book, so this is descending, ascending order, which is the default, so I can just use it like this. If I want it from most expensive to least expensive, however, this is not the default, and I have to use the keyword DESC, which is going to reverse the order for me. Now we can not only sort by numbers, as we know, we can also sort by alphabetical characters. So I can just say order by title. And this is going to sort them by title. I can just say descending or just the regular default thing, which is ascending order, is going to be the same thing. Now, can I order by more than one column? The answer is yes. What is a good example of this? Let's see. If I say sort the books within each category, show me the least expensive book to the most expensive book, and I want you to order by category, and then within each category order by the price. So first let me order the category. So category, order by category. If I do this without doing anything, it's going to just order them by category. See business, and then 2 books and children, 1, 2, 3, 4 books and computer. If you look at the retail, it doesn't care about the retail right here. There's no order for the retail, but I'm just ordering the category. Now I can go ahead and say, okay, in each category, order them by retail. Now if we do this, we have the same order for categories, but now if we look at children, this is lower than this price. If we come to computer, this price is lower than this, is lower than this, is lower than this. Once you finish the category, it doesn't care because it's going to reset because we're ordering by category first. If we flip those two, it's going to care about the retail first. Now we can do something like this, DESC. So now what's happening is, if you look closely, the category is descending order, but the retail is ascending order because I did not specify anything for the retail, and it's the default, which is ascending. I, however, specified I wanted descending order for category, and that's why I get a descending order. Now let me do this, and both are in descending order. You don't have to specify the column names in order by, you can just specify the column number. So let me show you what I mean. So order by, let's say 8. And what I meant by order by 8, order by the 8th column in my database. So order by 8, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is order by category. Now, if you prefer to go with this approach, you can do that, but this is not the best way because it's not the most readable way, and you have to know the orders of the columns and how many columns exactly is in your table to be able to use it like this.